What's up guys? Today, we're leveling up our high protein snack game with a homemade addition to one of my favorite snacks, roasted edamame. It's half the cost, if not cheaper, can be made a million different ways. It's super easy to prep, been great for volume eating on a diet. For reference, this entire bag only has 430 calories while having 41 grams of protein and 36 grams of fiber. So let's jump right into it. Speaking of high protein snacks, what are some of your favorites? Drop them below, I need some new ones to try. Start this one with shelled edamame. This can be fresh, canned, or the easiest for me to find, a frozen bag. You can make however much you want. If you're starting from frozen, run the contents of your bag under warm water until thawed. This should only take a couple minutes. Get out as much water from them as you can and put them into a bowl lined with a paper towel to dry them a bit more. Remove your paper towel and add into that same bowl 1 tablespoon of oil. If you're watching your fats or want to lower the calories a bit, you can substitute this with lemon or lime juice. Everything else you add in is completely up to you. Today, I'm gonna make 2 flavors. The first, 1 tablespoon of everything seasoning and half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. The second, 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I'll put a list of my other favorite ingredient combinations, like my dessert one with ground cinnamon, sweetener, and sea salt, with the metric conversions for everything on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. From here, mix everything around until all of your edamame is coated. Next, take out a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or your air fryer basket and spread your edamame evenly across whatever you're using. Put that into the oven on 425 for 20 to 25 minutes or your air fryer on 375 for around 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're done when they look toasted and crispy like this. There's endless combinations here. It's pretty hard to make this one taste bad. Crispiness test. Couple tips for them. Number 1, I store mine in the fridge and they'll usually last around a week. You can store them at room temperature as well, it just won't last as long. Number 2, make sure to let them cool as they'll crisp up even more. Number 3, if you don't cook them long enough, they'll be soft. And number 4, you can add things to it after it's roasted, like honey or maple syrup, teriyaki or soy sauce, or add it into things like trail mix for more protein, popcorn, and so on. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating for the oats was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this much roasted edamame. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it in grams will win either a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more healthy snack ideas like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.